Hello everybody, I'm here to introduce you about the WooCommerce plugin that I've used to design my website for the clients, those who are looking for a WooCommerce site, and for their customers to buy and to purchase and view their stores, products as well. So here is my front page. It is a home page actually, and this home page I have designed using WooCommerce plugin. After installing WooCommerce plugin, there is some extra menu will become automatically, like shop, cart, checkout, and my account. And now there is some cart options when I will choose and buy, and after adding this product into my cart, it will be shown here how much and how many products are there. I have already added some product in my wish list. I want to add more. For example, I am a client, then I will view, I can watch, I can view, I can choose product from the home page, but that will not be a good options, because here all the product is shown here automatically in a mixed order, so it will be confusing for buyers to buy. So what will I do in that time? If I am a client, I'll go to the shop options, shop menu option to buy products. Before that, I want to introduce some other options here that I've designed automatically, came from the WooCommerce plugin, like the admin's email address, the contact. Here I have used actually a dummy number and email. Here's some logo. Here is a logo that I have used, and actually it is a logo of a company from where I planned about website designing. Okay, so when a client will go to the shop option, he will see this website will show him the product in a list view in a default manner, because I have set it up and I have set this from my dashboard, from my theme options. So the list option, list view, so it is a very professional way. There is other option, other view was actually it is a grid view, and it is actually it will not be recommended for the client. So client should go to the list view so that they can view and chosen product can be added to the cart very easily here. And here's some categories. Clients also can choose the products from the categories, and here is some other categories options. It will show the products in a mix it up order. It will be more easier for a client to buy after choosing the product. So I'll go to the shop options, and typical client will go the options to view the products very easily. Then I will go, if I want to view the total contents, entire product details, then I'll go to the product title, click there, and I will see the total thing here, the single item purchasing price and others, descriptions and everything. If you want to compare, it will be shown here too. So if everything is okay, then I will add that up to a cart, and how many I want to buy, it can be chosen here. If I'll choose one, and I will choose two, and any number I can choose according to my need. and then I will add that up to my cart. Okay, only added 2 products, and I can go to my wish list, or I can choose more product to add that product into my wish list from here. So more product will be added into my wish list. I can view my wish list from here, and this is my wish list. From wish list I can also add the product to my cart if I want to buy that product. So total this is the total amount. Okay, amount here. If I'm not choosing the products from the wish list, I will shop, and I can add more products to my cart according to my need. Here's the total number of products and their total prices is shown here. I can click here. If everything is okay, I can view the card. If everything is okay, then I will click the checkout button to make the final purchase. I can write the name, like name, company name, okay, company name, the country, different country can be choose. I'm choosing Bangladesh as I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, so a place, it is a dummy place. Okay, so I can write it here. Okay, and there like a different address, like 24/7 or dummy. Okay. Cities like that and other cities, it can be chosen from here, and different districts can be chosen from here, from any of the countries as well, and the postcode, and there is a dummy number. Okay, the not real one, and is a email address is here. It's a client's buyers informations, and the total amount can be seen here. And if everything is okay, a client can choose. Actually, I'm choosing right now as a client. I can choose different options like direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, Bcash gateway. Okay, so like for example, I'm choosing Bcash gateway. Then I have to send their Bcash number. Okay, which number I'm using to send my payment. Okay, it's like it's a dummy number I'm using right now, like this one. Okay, and there will be a transaction ID in case of Bcash gateway, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Okay, this is for example, it's a dummy number. Okay, so it's a random number I'm choosing right now. So after everything is okay, everything is good, then I can check it out. I can check the information twice or thrice to make it clear, because if it will be wrong, then product will not come. Okay, so I can place the order right now. Place the order. Okay, so it will take some time. If everything is good, then it will give me a confirmation that the purchase was done, what it was completed. Order received, and total order number is a random number for each and every client. It will be chosen automatically, and the date, time, total amount, payment, how have I made the payment. Okay, there will be shown here, and total amount, number of items, and total amount, and the information, some details, and billing address. Okay, so work is done, order has completed, order is posted successfully. Then as an admin, what will I do? I'll check. I will check from my dashboard, from my backend side. I will check about the orders from here, WooCommerce orders. Okay. Let's see what is there. What is the update? Okay, I have right now I can see that there is a new order is there, so I'll check that order clearly and very essential. I will check, and everything looks good. If then everything is good, then what I will do, I will click this button and it will make that order confirmed, and an email or a text message will come to the client that your order is in a processing order, and it will be your product will come to you soon. That's it, and that's all about this total process. And one thing I forgot to show, that is some other things like the sale offer can be seen from here very easily, so the customers can choose these product in their priority basis. Okay, well, this is the sale. It also can be chosen from the sorting and other things. It can be chosen also from some other options. Only sale options, only sale products can be chosen for customers, so that they can be bought easily. Okay, so that's all about commerce side using commerce plugin. Okay, so the work can be sorted according to the newness, according to popularities, well, according to price. Okay, so that's it. Here's the sale products, top rate products, and here's the special offers, means the sale. Special offers is offered by the company, so the customers can choose rather from here. Okay, so that's all about. Thank you.